Hi there, my name is Karina, paediatric dietitian and mum of two from Tricky Little Tummies. My goal is to help take the stress out of feeding your baby or your child and create confident parents who know exactly how to feed their child. 3 key areas that I help families in, and I've been doing so for the past 21 years as a clinical paediatric dietitian, is number 1, infant and baby nutrition. So anything to do with breastfeeding, formula feeding, introducing solids, colicky, refluxy babies. I'm really keen to help you in that area. Number 2 is babies and children with gut issues. This is food allergies, food intolerances, tricky tummies that you just can't work out what the problem is. It could be constipation, certainly specialize in gut and immune health. And the third area is fussy eaters. So parents that are super stressed and worried about their child's fussy eating behaviors and worried that their child is just not getting enough. I'm really happy to help you in that area as well. Most of my consultations are online these days and it works super well. I'm really looking forward to helping your family. So please reach out to me. You can contact me through email or via my mobile on the website. So please reach out to me and we can chat further about how I can help your family. See ya.